Okay, so this is Algebra 2, Unit 1, Lesson 1, and what we'll be discussing here is what property is recognized or done to get from the previous line to this line. So over here we can see that the 3 was distributed in, along with the -7 was distributed in. So to go from line 1 to line 2, write the distributive property. Okay. Now from this line to this line, what was done? Well, we can see that the x's were moved to one side. So we can say add the addition property of equality. We added this 7x to both sides. Okay. Now on this one, to go from here to here, we're subtracting 15 to both sides. So we can say subtraction property of equality. And finally, we can divide both sides by 13, division property of equality. So all you're doing is figuring out what you did from here to get down to here and write it down. Okay. Problem number 2. -2 and distribute the +3, so this distributive property. Now over here you're saying, well, what happened here? We combined like terms. We combined the 3 and the 5. We combined the 5h and the 4h. And what's with the substitution? So we're actually substituting the 3 and the 5 with an 8, substituting the 5h and the 4h with a 9. So we write the substitute property to mean combining like terms. Okay. Next step, we're going to go ahead and subtract 3h to both sides, so subtraction property of equality. We're going to add 8 to both sides, so addition property of equality. Finally, divide by 6, division property of equality. And finally, we went from here to here by reducing the fraction, so I wrote that down for you guys. Okay. Problem number 3, same thing. Let's see. We are, first of all, combining like terms. So we put substitution. Okay. From here down to here. Go ahead and subtract 4x to both sides, so subtraction property of equality. And go ahead and -4, so, and again, subtraction property of equality. Divide by 2, and division property of equality. So that's basically what we're trying to do, is show you how to get from one step to the other and what property is associated with it.